last night, guys, your favorite team played. Is it Arsenal, Chelsea, or whatever? The goals, the drama, the moments everyone is talking about, and you missed it. But what if I told you you could watch and download those football highlights anytime for free? Welcome to the channel, Zimtech Prime, where we innovate, integrate, and inspire. In today's video, I'm revealing exactly how to use Woodfoot to get instant access to match highlights. No stress, no payments, just pure football action. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's step in. Firstly, we click on Play Store. After clicking on Play Store, we click search icon. Then we clear. Then now we type 4K video download. You see on top have been already searched. So you click search. Then you click again. Then you install your application. This is the first step you do to install 4K video download. You do not need any payment or any card. So after install downloader, sometimes some of the adverts you need to pass it. Some of the adverts they need you to click so that you can get access to go further. So this is just the welcome notes. You just tap click next and to finish. So now you see, if you need the notification, you can say allow. If you don't, you can say don't. Then this is just an advert. Just click. Then now you see we are now to use the browser inside this application that we can download our videos, can download our highlights, football matches. So you go into bar and search Woodfoot. Please follow every step so that you can easily download your highlights. So after Woodfoot, then you say search. So after that, you are going to see this a green arrow on bottom of your search. So you click the first link for Woodfoot. But for now, just ignore the app. So now you're going to see all the matches that played, all the matches. Even let's say you want to see, you do not see the match, so you can click show more, or you can find the matches according to the countries, or you can say home, England, Spain, Germany, Italy, France, Europe. Let's say you click England, you're going to see all the leagues that are playing in England. So like you see in Europe, so even the national games like this, you can see friendly matches, club friendly. So you can download any video, any football highlights from this Woodfoot. So let's say I want to download for Arsenal, for example. Then you click on Arsenal. Then you're going to see this play button. So you need to play first. So play the video like this. So we are going to play the video. So if the way we are playing the video, you're going to see so we are going to see the number with the arrow like 2. Okay. So now you click the arrow. Then it shows you 2 categories of video so that you can download. So I want to download the 640p or easily editing. So click download now. You see it now started downloading.